Hello friends, nice to see you again. This is Monica from RinPac Packaging.
Retort pouches are a good option for food items that have the consumer pouring hot water into the pouch to reconstitute the product. Though all stand-up pouches and barrier bags are made with special laminated layers that protect food from spills, puncture, and outside contaminants. Special films are required for food products designed for quick, convenient cooking. Retort packaging is a unique form of stand-up pouch used for cook-in-a-bag meals and sides, such as soups, rice, sauces, and pasta dishes. The food-grade, FDA-approved materials used to construct this type of packaging undergo a sterilization process that extends the shelf life of the product inside while boosting the durability of the package itself. After going through a retort machine, the food and package are able to withstand temperatures up to 250 degrees, making this the perfect solution for microwavable meals.
Welcome to contact us to customize your own bags. See you next time.